Before we read orders and complaints, in ordering and writing orders or placing orders and receiving complaints, it's all about business English and business letters. You already have come to know what is a business letter. What is the importance of a business letter? What are the formats of a business letter? What are the parts of a business letter? And what are the different types of business letters? Before we move on to orders and complaints, we have to understand the 7 C's of communication. Effective communication is essential in every aspect of our life. What do you understand by effective communication? So effective communication and ineffective communication. Why will you choose effective communication? For 100% understanding. When your communication is not 100% understood, it becomes ineffective. So, effective communication is essential in every aspect of our life. What do you understand by the term essential? Do you think communication is essential? Without communication, you cannot connect with the audience. The audience will not know what you're talking about.
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot interact with the audience. We cannot convince. We cannot get our work if our communication is not effective. So essential in every aspect of our life. It means when we interact at home, when we interact with our friends, when we talk to our neighbors, we will not know what's happening. Communication begins. First of all, the first point is know your audience. Will you communicate the same way with your teachers, the way you talk to your parents? Yes. If you are talking with respect. When you say no, you said no. तो क्या तुम उसी तरह से बात करते हो जिस तरह से तुम हम लोगों से बात करते हो कॉलेज में? अगर कॉलेज में आप बात जैसे करते हो हम लोगों से, you do not talk in the same way with your parents, do you? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. First thing is respect. आप familiar remark मत करो. आप बस में जा रहे हो and you see a stranger who needs some help. आप जानते नहीं है. Will you be disrespectful? No, ma'am. You will respect. So respect is the first kind of communication. First rule that is effective communication. Sorry. Respect. तो किसी को respect करो. Naturally, you will respect her. And you will be guided by the way you person. So first, second, trust.
I think trust comes first.
No. सबसे पहले respect आता है. How can you trust पहली बार मिलते हैं? Will you trust the person? And trust the Lord. Do you trust your parents? Blind trust. I know we are. Do you trust him?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Oh, yes, I don't. I'm not sure. Do you trust your teachers? They will take care of you.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, we are okay. So a person, sorry, effective communication is essential in every aspect of our life, whether we are at home or in college or with friends or in a party, wherever we are. Whether it be at home, at work, with our friends. A person who can communicate effectively will always have the advantage when dealing with people. What is this advantage? People will believe him, people will trust him, people will respect him, people will look up at him. Yeah.
In their work.
Fortunately, there is a guideline that one can follow to implement the habit of effective communication. It's not scrolling now. You got stuck somewhere. This also is in your book. Please. नहीं हो रहा.
Inside is inside is.
So here we talk about the 7 C's of communication. The 7 C's of communication, or the 7 C's of effective communication. For communication to be effective, there are 7 letters. There are 7 words that start with the word, the letter alphabet C. The content is in your book, in your module. It is not scrolling. Page got stuck somewhere. क्या हो गया इसमें? Let me reopen this.
इन्ना नहीं होगा जब वहाँ पर आने वाले सब काट उठ के इसको पहला फिल्टर होगा
Not responding.
महीना हो गया 2.5 लाख होगा 2.5 लाख कॉल
Yeah, I'll have to close that.
इसका अभी भी लगा हेलो सुनिए ना इसका जो ये है ना
22 नवंबर को लगा है
लगा 22 नवंबर को
इसका कंप्लीट हो गया तो 2018 में ठीक होगा कैंपस प्लेसमेंट की बात नहीं कॉलेज
कैंपस प्लेसमेंट इसका विप्रो में हुआ देखिए ठीक से पढ़िए विप्रो में
कॉलेज में बना है
ठीक से देखिए लिखा हुआ है विप्रो में इसने 5 साल काम किया विप्रो उसके बाद उसको ऑफर मिला है 37 लाख रुपए मिल गया ये भी इसके पास एक्सपीरियंस है
You have to open the MS Word again.
कॉलेज कैंपस के दौरान उसको विप्रो प्लेसमेंट हुई थी
बंद करके फिर से खोलो
हुआ
बंद करें
बंद तो कर दिया था।
नहीं मैंने बात की थी वर्ड को बंद करके फिर से वर्ड को पूरी तरह से
क्या टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं हम टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं
वर्ड पावर पॉइंट ऑफिस
मैनेजमेंट अकाउंट
All right. The 7 C's of communication. I do not need the PowerPoint or the word. The first C is clarity. Please write down. The first C is clarity. All right. The first C is clarity. When you're writing a message, messages can be written or messages can be oral. So the first C is clarity. C-L-A-R-I-T-Y, clarity. When you see the word clarity, what comes in your mind? Spasht. Your message should be clear cut. There should be no gray matter. Say what you want to say. Say without any double meaning words, without anything, without any extra information. For example, in business letters, you will only write something which is of importance. So clarity of mind. A person who is confused, can you write something clearly?
No, ma'am.
So clarity का start कहाँ से होता है? I know you're dumb, but you're this dumb. I did not. Clarity means clarity of thoughts. Be clear. As far as possible, avoid any jargon, any fillers. Jargon, any words which are fillers. You know, well, you know, I want to say, yes. No. What I want to say is, किसी के पास तुम्हारे ifs and buts के लिए time नहीं है. Supposing you go, you need some cash for your party, for the party. So you will quietly go to your mother and say, Mother, are you? नहीं, माँ तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक है ना? आप बटरिंग करेंगे उसको, आप जबरदस्ती को पाँव दबाएंगे तो बहुत थक गई होगी, काम बहुत ज्यादा होता होगा। नहीं, तुमसे तो बात ही नहीं होती, तुम इतना बिजी रहती हो।
टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है।
हाँ, टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है। पता है क्या हुआ,
यस मैम।
माँ समझ जाती है आपको कि कुछ चाहिए, वो आपको रोक देती है, कितना पैसा चाहिए। She will immediately stop and ask you. नहीं, वो तो बात ही नहीं है। अरे तुम भी ना क्या, वो बात ही नहीं है, बस ऐसे ही। क्या बात नहीं कर सकते क्या? छोड़ जाओ, हटाओ, तुमको बात करना नहीं है तो
वो धीरे धीरे ले जा रहा है टॉपिक।
तो ठीक है, वो बोलती ठीक है, बात नहीं करना है, वो उसके काम करना है।
नहीं नहीं,
नहीं,
बैठो
नहीं,
बैठो।
एक मिनट,
मैं काम तो
फिर आप बिजी हो क्या? Mother turns around and says, "How much do you want?" तो फिर तुम बोलोगे, नहीं थोड़ा मस्का लगाओगे, फिर वही बात, क्या ऐसे बात नहीं कर सकते तुमसे क्या? तो ये हो गया, यू आर नॉट क्लियर, या आपको डर लग रहा है, या आप डायरेक्टली कैसे कर सकते हैं मुझे 5,000 चाहिए, 10,000 चाहिए। नाउ इन बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन आपको लीव चाहिए होगा, ठीक है, और आप लेटर लिखते हैं, लीव फॉर 10 days। तो क्लैरिटी जब जहां पर नहीं है वहां बंदा क्या लिखता है? बंदा नया नया इंग्लिश लिखना सीखा है तुम लोग की तरह, कि अब मुझे इंग्लिश आता है दिखाने के लिए मैं इतना थोड़ी लिखूंगा, मैं पूरा लिखूंगा। सर को मालूम तो हुआ कि मुझे भी इंग्लिश आती है, और तुम 1 पेज, 2nd पेज, 3rd पेज, it does happen when you want to show off.
How will
You write and write and write and write. And then in the end you will write, sir, can I request for leave for 5 days, 10 days. और एक और तरह का बंदा तो चालाक बंदा होता है, वो लिखता है leave for 10 days था subject line, the person says, as you already know that I never take leave. अब शुरू हो गया कहानी शुरू हो गया उसका,
पूरी डिटेल में बताएं।
जैसा कि पता है आपको मैं कभी लीव लेता नहीं। In my department, I am the only person who takes minimum of leaves. Last week such and such person took leave. वो पूरी कहानी उसके सामने। But as you know, and मैं अभी भी लीव नहीं लेता. Even now I would not have taken leave. But the thing is, this is some urgent work which I cannot avoid. I hope you will understand, sir. अब पूरी कहानी लिखा हुआ पूरी बिल्कुल. You are that kind of boss who will never say no. I know that. पूरी बटरिंग कर रहा हूँ. And you are the best HR. And you are such an understanding person. I have known you for the last 5 years. And you have never disappointed anybody. अरे बंद करो यार. The person is trying to butter up. ये जरूरी है क्या?
No मैम।
लेकिन करते हैं आप लोग?
यस मैम।
आपके एप्लीकेशंस आते हैं बहुत सारे। टास्क इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है, मैं बहुत गरीब छात्रा हूँ, गरीब छात्र हूँ मैं, और क्लास मिस करना मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है, लेकिन मैं क्या करूँ, मैं बहुत मजबूर हूँ सर, पर रहम कीजिए। पूरी अपनी कर्म कांड लिखना था, पूरी कहानी आता है आपके एप्लीकेशन? 1 पेज 2 पेज। हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we just see the subject line. Be clear in your thoughts. Clarity will lead to another C, which is concise. Another C is concise. Concise means to the point. अगर कोई टीचर आपको इंफॉर्मेशन देता है कि I will take your test next week. This message is clear? Yes. Up next week, Monday to Friday or Saturday. The teacher has not told you the date, but the teacher has told you it will be done next week. The message is not clear. Or if I tell you, meet me in the evening. और मैं यहाँ से चली जाती हूँ बोरिंग रोड. Is the message clear?
No, ma'am.
The message would have been clear
No, ma'am.
had I written, meet me at 6 at Boring Road branch.
This is clear and concise.
Clear. The second C is concise. Do not drag. Do not elaborate. Right to the point. Right to the point. Do not tell long stories. Why? Because in today's world, nobody has the time to read your long stories. एक बार कोई पढ़ भी लेगा, अगली बार लिखोगे तो नहीं पढ़ेगा कोई.
नाम देखिए बेटा.
नाम देखेगा. The third C is concrete. किताब है आपके पास? आपको किताब मिली हुई है? Second is concise. Concrete. 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 It means there has got to be a solid message. हवा में कोई बात नहीं, कोई ठोस वजह, कोई ठोस बात होनी चाहिए. Something बात में दम होनी चाहिए. ये नहीं कि आप चले गए सर के सामने, सब पूछेंगे did I call you? No sir. कुछ काम था? No sir. अब डांट पड़ जाएगी. अब यहाँ क्या करो? जाओ यहाँ से. कदा कहीं का. प्यार से आपको डांट के भगा देंगे. There has got to be a solid reason. The meaning of concrete is there has got to be some weight in it.
ये देखिए. What is the benefit of sitting in the front of teachers?
Because the main attention of the teacher होता है.
Our conversation is recording. Class summarize. Wait, so forward slash cancel. नहीं, backward slash. Forward slash देंगे तो हम बढ़िया. Here आ गया.
Follow it up like the phone call or the phone call message gathering followed up by the or I would say please refer for a conversation. ये business call है बिना written proof के nothing don't have. सपोजिंग आप किसी मैनेजर से बात करते हैं वो मैनेजर आपका छोड़ देता है नौकरी कहीं और चला जाता है. आपकी रीडिंग उससे थी there is no proof whatsoever. That is why everything should be documented. So concrete means you need to be no, there's got to be some weightage, some value.
Which point are you adding in your letter?
Which point are you adding? What are you talking about? कोई हवा में ऐसी बात कर रहे हो या वाकई कोई बात है, सॉलिड बात है? The next C. The next is correctness. How come some people have the book, some don't?
They have deposited 25,000 at the time of admission.
The next C is completeness.
Correct. Oh.
भी आप लिख रहे हैं. It should be correct. Majority value. And there should be correctness in grammar, language. Otherwise, a wrongly written letter, a speech with a lot of errors, a message with multiple errors, will not be valued. Your company's reputation will be at stake. Your writing is this to another organization, and if your letter is full of grammatical errors, what will be the status of your company?
This will leave a bad,
What will be the status of your
bad image of
organization?
organization.
What will be your status? How will you save your reputation? This person is writing with humongous errors, so many errors. Somebody who does not know how to write. Yeah, the correctness कुछ है, language का correctness. Yeah. Something that should not be truthfulness, correctness. Whatever you're writing, for your communication to be effective, it has to be clear, clarity. It has to be concise. It has to be concrete. It has to be
Correct.
not correct.
Correct.
Correct. Not correct. Correct. So, in the last class, there was somebody who spoke. I said, lot of ruckus in your class. In some other class, I said, lot of ruckus in your class. I use this word somehow. Then the person sitting in the front bench said, हाँ मैम, पूरा राकेश से आ गया यहाँ पर। What? पूरा मेरे गाँव में ऐसे ही बोलता है राकेश। So I asked some students, okay, so what is the meaning of ruckus? There were some girls who knew it. तो बताइए, yes, I know ruckus. तो एक बच्चा बोला कि नहीं, किसी को नहीं पता है ruckus का मतलब है मैम. Some students said हमको पता है. नहीं पता. अल्लाह हमारा तमाशा करना, बातचीत करना, गपशप करना, हल्ला करना. Don't create a ruckus in the class. But he understood it as ruckus. Correctness of language, correctness of pronunciation. Wherever there should be correctness, pronunciation, language, grammar, correct accent, and something which is not a lie. ये gossip बहुत जल्दी travel fast करता है. Official language में gossip को क्या कहते हैं?
Fire of polished जंगल की आग.
So you guys are from IT.
जंगल की आग की तरह.
क्या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में सिर्फ काम की बात होती है?
No मैम.
क्या नॉन ऑफिशियल बात होती है ऑफिस में?
Yes मैम.
This नॉन ऑफिशियल बातचीत is called grapevine. Grapevine.
Grape wine. Grape wine.
G-R-A-P, grape.
Wine.
Grapevine.
Wine.
G-I-N-E-Y. Grapevine means unofficial talk in the office.
In the office.
So grapevine में बहुत कुछ ऐसा चला जाता है gossip में जो कि बात सही नहीं है. For example, if a teacher is not well, he takes leave or she takes leave, और grapevine में ये हल्ला हो जाता है that person has resigned. And there is a lot of ruckus in the organization. Okay, that person has left without saying no notice, nothing. एक uproar होता है, एक हंगामा मच जाता है, एक ruckus भी हो जाता है. And unfortunately, when the people are calling him, the phone भी switch off आ रहा है. So that adds fuel to fire. And then people start believing yes, the person.
Has been the organizer.
Then somebody said he's in America. He is there with his ailing mother. माँ बीमार है, so वो अमेरिका चले गए उनको इलाज के लिए. तो grapevine ऐसी चीज है ना जो कि gossip एक टूल पकड़ लेता है. And that spreads so fast. So whatever you're speaking, first find out whether it's true or not, or why speak at all. If something you're not sure is correct, why at all bring up the topic? Unless and until you're sure about it. You know, this is the correct news, authentic news. I am sure, and I'm not sure. I am over sure. I'm confident this is the truth because I have met the person. I have spoken to the person. So what happens? Either your message will go as a grapevine, in the grapevine, or your message is correct and authentic. Choose wisely. Whatever you speak, I'm not talking about your language, grammar. I'm not bothered about your pronunciation. Neither am I bothered about your grammar. By and by, gradually, your grammar will also improve. But yes, I'm talking about your correctness. It means truthfulness. Be correct in your messages. Next, see.
Consideration.
All right, we'll take up this consideration in the next class. Consideration मतलब होता है दूसरे के लिए सद्भावना होना, दूसरे के लिए फीलिंग अच्छा होना.